Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to buy USDT in Bybit using any card, Visa, Mastercard, etc. Hit Asset at the bottom right, then press Deposit. Right? You have multiple options. You can deposit via on-chain or using P2P trading, which basically you go to an individual and ask to buy via local payment method, right? That includes also Visa, Mastercard, etc. Right? You transfer the account, they will give you their account details, and then you're gonna transfer the amount, and then they're gonna just give you USDT back, right? Upon agreed method or upon agreed price. Or you could use buy with USD, right? Which is more direct. You can buy with your USD bank, right? Let's say I'm buying 55, and you can hit pay with bank card, Bank of Georgia. I'm gonna select bank card, hit confirm. It's gonna take you, of course, to another website where you're gonna add all of your details, right? Your Visa or MasterCard details, right? And then you're gonna be able to wait, and if it's acceptable, you're gonna buy it via USD, and it's gonna transfer, of course, via USDT, right? With some fees in it. So consider liking this video, subscribe, and until next time, see you.